Momo Mwami Yango had Takoradi market circle now Musi no paying me who was really in the midst of COVID-19 in Russia, Ukraine challenges in this is happening. And you know, my pictures maybe Takoradi market circle no omu wi asiri CBCI and afi baby as siano oma pija edi edrum yasante me kan kwa baby wo ha be movie show di akọ ntino Kumasi International Airport yom yi na bia no pa bi yasese ne mana kugu honum then we ran the show from there na ntimo ma me pictures ni bi na mintie ni dollar Takoradi market circle no and I pictures you kakraka we cover the time ya na edwiri gu you na o ma sha ase a o ma ye dro na kodu jumana kodu sa mpempenso we enti no omuguso a omo ye eho adwuma ewo honum enti Takoradi ho na no se PTC interchange no so koso wo honum din enti no these are some of the things government is doing and into ye kase into we are saying ebe wow we are stadium maybe this is how it will look like the market circle no and you know these are some of the reasons why we are telling Ghanaians say omunya gidie ene otwen pa emfama aban na aban we na wan hye pa at the moment. So these are some of the things
oheneba NPP aban no ehia ntoaso whether by hook or by the crook. I was say MPP it me breaky 8. Say MPP are buying breaky 8.
Obetua ne de wontua. Na wo da so di sa party na chi say he jobodo yi. Ebe jobodo amamoda. Utie. Ebe jobodo amamoda. So ade mun goddess onyame adawro manti okura ye mu kinkim. Na nne ya anomfo yi. E na mafidie bi a mesum ye ne me mpai bo bi a me boye. Ekomia ye mfe. Now, I'm waiting for their bloggers. I'm waiting for their bloggers. Now, show me. Me, mama, because it is quite unfortunate, okay? When you do the background checks of these bloggers talking for them, oh, Charlie, me cry me background here. Me nadamo. Now, show me. You see these boys who are insulting the elders and pennyfono mudidia him for a temini at the adeno. When you check their background and even where they even eat, ushe jadi bi omu nuani wo mukure di kurana na omu tuminya time ebe chimpenifo edi atem social media because of politics now. I'm say we sit down, consume fake news. Now Aduma na bane ye na nka wobema wani akọ tap in their check ho ne de onhwe 2022 when we were reading the budget. Now show me, we are talking a budget that contains workers pay. Now mama NDC for that am say 1% na de ntia 11 to let abolish, and I say we don't like the budget. We na Ghana ni nurse ni NDC ni nti budget na ye tantan ofui usika shem kwase afenes kana mba ujira say abanya ntia onse we jimi nurse ni why adwuma we NDC ni nti omuka say no budget pass no Jimmy, they have rejected the budget, you are happy who pay shem o first quarter pay ofui shem Munsia dear, no mun guys out, Boca news stations where Mutiomono, they are nothing. Me sometimes when I listen to them, I sit down and many say A+1. Because these days it's not a factor to me. It's your no good when you want. God they are mekafa and hunina a daddy. But let me tell you something. When you listen to A+ on United Showbiz and you listen to Arnold Bina or Kahuna, you see the difference? I'm just asking a simple question. This is entertainment-wise, okay? Entertainment-wise. When you listen to A+ make a submission on anything, now who share the submission Arnold brings her, it tells you the difference. And some people believe say Kwame A+ you be because he knows how to be pompon and ya cardiana na Jimmy for kakra na egu na china face oh chairman he is nothing. That guy is the most shallowest guy who has ever had space in the media. Very shallow. Very, very, very shallow. At least Captain Jimmy, the no no the mamambra kakrane sa niama no. But where there, he's very shallow. He talks bua. Na ba na enko didi no bi enko didi. Jimmy you are boy beast. Unyansa. You are sitting on a platform that has been fined. They have been given guidelines to follow. Where Jimmy no win nyansa. Now for you say bibi aye math inti. Oh senior could go wenum. Oh, say I could get big, wo. Na mini chairman won to me ahon. Kabo and won. Is that Cynthia? Come on, young miana, my own. Because, come here, sorry, Jimmy Dodo. I'm telling you, this guy could have been one of the richest boys in Ghana right now. Baby Ananado didn't say, you know, this Kwame Asari would have been one of the richest boys in Ghana now. You are still begging, doing la la sulala, gathering boys. So Uncle Ken, mommy say, we will say, why you are not ashamed. Go to a penny be and chow idea, one case I won't mean idea, man. You don't feel ashamed of yourself. Now, Sebe, oh sorry, a gempa. Catch you also winning me answer and uncle for being so grew in the media. Gempa, but you don't know nothing. Bench warrant can be suspended. But what bounty no where Jimmy for the bench here the Albert post no man say oh can be papa no man be dear banya tem cause who dear banya tem. Sometimes a lawyer to me no say okay I want you to suspend the bench warrant for this and this okay if they like the application they suspend it there is no you don't even know this common thing. You don't even know this abeg now efia is free there and the ankwasea oh kwa pass some more e dia mafia no no maka kire no odua ni tini wi a onya wi no. Because them say no say na mfa ne bio ene ne mfa na woni obi akɔhye dem akodi no awi akɔgye whiskey awi wo dia betina TV so aka na we ofi say nyam kupon kure be hira sem fo akwa. Now the reason why I came today is for a prophecy I had said, and today I will start with my first video, and it is very simple. You starting free here will be NTB neighbor. Oyo boyo. Jango.
Who said you video the thing? If your boss, tell your boss that it's all allowed. Receive my oh, you beat me. You can beat me. I
hope somebody knows. What's up, baby? Someone, I'm share page, you know. Like I told you, today is a great day, and a great day is today. Yeah? I believe say video, yeah, my boy. Yeah. I said we can't hear. I know, me too. I couldn't hear. I don't know what happened to the sound, but that sound didn't come. Now I'm gonna find Chemi. So I can say, a husband snatcher, your party keep disgracing you, eh? But everybody have seen this video. Now show me. You see your people. And yes, sir, Sabi. Omo ko yi flag bearer. Yes, see women organizer. Keke. And na mon kwasi asem wa Kevin Taylor no money sami jamfi no mkhishe de share. Boys ni bitirimunti. Go and help Sabi. One kasa ukrofo. Say who you want, Keke. Yen choose no fa namra no. O kwa kokun krofo mba. Oh, all because somebody want to be a youth organizer. Hey, now imagine that Ghana for, and you people still put on red, no red white. Just say you just don't understand these people. Free education, they don't want it. Free healthcare, they don't fucking want it. Drone, they don't want it. You see, the drone, map yoto, and my God, like Ghana is a joke sometimes, yo. To be honest with you, sometimes you just see the thought process of some of the people in the country, and you be like, na nya way na wako school no, na nya way na yesi anko ni mnyansa no, na nya way, because when you look, it is bogus. Hey, news here, the difference between commentary from the Accra Sports Stadium and news. Hey, onuya ho for na abeja omo a no ma kofa Captain Jimmy na abegina o. Ojai, ya me say.